Hello students and viewers on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk on the most important novel of this semester, that is The Guide. This is written by R.K. Narayan. He is an Indian writer. He has written number of novels, especially his Malgudi Days are very popular in his work. Let's see what are the contents we are going to discuss in this video. The Guide. This novel is written by R.K. Narayan. Let's talk about the author. His full name is Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Narayan Swamy, is commonly known as R.K. Narayan as an Indian writer. He is also known for his work set in the fictional South Indian town of Malgudi. Remember, his work set in the fictional South Indian town of Malgudi. This question will be asked in your examination. He was leading author of early Indian literature in English along with Mulk Raj and Rajarao. Next point is Narayan's mentor and friend Graham Greene was instrumental in getting publisher first 4 books, including the semi-autobiographical trilogy of Swamy and Friends 1935, The Bachelor of Arts 1937 and The English Teacher 1945. Next one, the fictional town of Malgudi was first introduced in Swamy and Friends. Remember, the fictional town of Malgudi was first introduced in Swamy and Friends. Another point is the Financial Expert 1951 was hailed as one of the most original works of him. In previous slide we discussed on his literary work as well as his background. Let's see awards and prizes he bagged in his career. Number 1, Sahitya Akademi Award winner The Guide. It was written in 1958, was adapted for the film, winning Filmfare Award for the best film and for Broadway. Second point is he received many awards and honors, including the S.C. Benson Medal from Royal Society of Literature. I repeat here, he received many awards and honors, including S.C. Benson Medal from Royal Society of Literature. Third one, the Padma Vibhushan and the Padma Bhushan, India's the second and the third highest or largest civilian awards, and in the 1994 Sahitya Akademi Fellowship. This is the highest India's National Academy of Letters. Next one is he was also nominated to the Rajya Sabha. He won his first major award in 1960, the Sahitya Akademi Award for The Guide. Remember, he won his first major award in 1960, the Sahitya Akademi Award for The Guide, and The Guide was written in 1958. Next one, in 1964, he received the Padma Bhushan during the Republic Day honors. In 1964, he received the Padma Bhushan during the Public Day honors. In 1980s, he was awarded the S.C. Benson Medal by the British Royal Society of Literature, of which he was an honorary member. In 1980, he was awarded the S.C. Benson Medal by the British Royal Society of Literature, of which he was an honorary member. Let's see. In 1982, he was selected an honorary member of the American Academy of Arts and Letters. In 1982, he was elected an honorary member of the American Academy of Arts and Letters. He was nominated for the Nobel Prize in Literature, honorary of doctorates conferred by the University of Leeds, Delhi University 1973, Mysore University 1976. These are the most important points for our and objective questions. So that's why you should watch again and again. In 1989, he was nominated to the upper house of the Indian Parliament, is Rajya Sabha. In 2001, he honored with Padma Vibhushan. This is all about his honor, and now we are going to move the plot summary of the guide. This is very interesting novel, and you go through in detail. You will find an interesting and amazing thing from this novel. So today I am going to make it summarized. Especially I would focus on its plot. Let's see. Point number one, Railway Raju is disarmingly not a fruit corrupt tour guide who is famous among tourists. Railway Raju is disarmingly not a fruit corrupt tour guide who is famous among tourists. He falls in love with a beautiful dancer, Rosie. Rosie is another important character, and Raju or Railway Raju is a central character. He is a protagonist of this novel. The wife of archaeologist Marco. They have came to Malgudi, the fictional town in South India, as tourists. Marco doesn't approve of Rosie's passion for dancing career. In the process, they become close to each other on learning of their relationships. Marco leaves Rosie in Malgudi and goes back to Madras alone. Rosie turns up at home of Raju and they start living together, but Raju's mother does not approve their relationships and leaves them. This is all about the first part of Raju and Rosie. Look at, Raju is a central character of this novel. Raju is also known as Railway Raju. One day he came across to Rosie, who is a beautiful dancer, along with his husband Marco. They came as a tourist and Raju had helped them. Fortunately, Raju fell in love with her and they lived together. Finally, Marco left her, and also Raju's mother has not accepted her. Next point is, Raju becomes Rosie's stage manager, and soon, with the help of Raju's marketing tactics, Rosie becomes a successful dancer. Raju, however, develops an inflated sense of self-importance and tries to control her life, and he wants to build as much wealth as possible. This is all about Raju's second part or second role of this novel. Raju becomes Rosie's stage manager, and soon, with the help of Raju's marketing tactics, Rosie becomes a successful dancer. As we discussed in previous slide, Rosie wants to become a good dancer, but her husband not allowed her. That's why she left her, and finally she lives with Raju, and Raju now become a manager, marketing manager as well as stage manager. Raju, however, develops an inflated sense of self-importance and tries to control her life, and he wants to build as much wealth as possible. Raju especially focuses on wealth. He wants to earn more money from Rose's dancing program. So let's move another point. Raju gets involved in case of forgery or fake of Rose's signature and gets a 2-year sentence. Sentence means here punishment. Despite Rose's best efforts to save him, after completing the sentence, Raju passes through a village, Mangal, where he is mistaken for a sadhu, a spiritual guide. Raju gets involved in a case of forgery, that is fake of Rohit's signature, and gets a 2-year sentence. It means punishment. Despite Rohit's best efforts to save him, after completing the sentence, Raju passes through a village, Mangal, where he is mistaken for a sadhu, a spiritual guide.